Visit Vertec Days all started, I think, when Tony Vertine would always say, we want to show our customers kind of what we do here, where their products are made, the quality that goes into them, meet the team that goes behind it, the faces that they talk to on the phone and all that.
As me being the consumer, you kind of take for granted what everything is because it just comes to my back door. I use it, it works great, but it was really interesting to see behind the scenes of what everything is involved with it.
So this is a great opportunity for us to get customers in from all over the country. We get feedback from them on what they want to do. We create some collegiality amongst our customer base because a lot of the people who come in are distributors of ours. And then we make our customers better, and they're better able to do their job and help them be more successful.
One thing about Vertec Labs I want people to know is our support that we provide. We're always a phone call away, a text away, an email. We're here to help, and we want to make not only our business grow, but their business grow.
What makes me proud to be at Vertec is how we take care of our customers. We do a much better job than any other company I go against.
I've used other competitors in the past. One of the reasons why we did switch to Vertec, they came in, they offered a trial, which was great. You could see the difference in the vehicle. So that sparked our interest on what is Vertec doing that's different versus everybody else.
They're there for us. We see them regularly. Their phone lines are open to us. Their offices are open to us.
Why we value the customers is I want to be treated the same way. That's something that I believe that we should provide to our customers. And to be quite honest, it's a differentiable point. Some of our competitors can't do that or don't do that.
I feel like they're more family now versus going to a big corporation store, that one-on-one with the rep, coming in, being a close friend, knowing what my objective is.
The success of Vertec Labs is solely the province of the people who work here, the team members. Try to make phenomenal products, provide phenomenal service to our customers.